Fire snowflake heater making strange noises? Don't ignore the early warning signs. Snowflake fire. Your heater should run smoothly. If you hear banging or rattling, it means a component struggles. Common heater noises and what they mean. Banging or popping means metal expanding. Squealing indicates a failing blower motor. Rattling could signal loose panels, while humming often points to electrical issues. Grinding noise suggests motor bearing failure. Ignoring these signs can lead to costly damage. Why choose Uptown? Same-day service, licensed techs, and honest diagnostics available.